Hi, this is Brent with Studio One Expert, and in this final video of this 4-part series looking at the CLA EPIC plugin, I'm going to show you how we can use this on guitars, and I'm going to use it across 3 different types of guitars. So we've got some rhythm guitars with a lot more low-end content, and then some more textural parts. So this first guitar part here, I want to add some room sound to it, but I also want to automate the room fader for certain parts so it just cuts out. So let's load up CLA EPIC Studio. And just to begin with, I'm just going to mute this channel here. So I'll just do this from the left here. And that means that we already have some room dialed in. So let's have a listen. And bring up the dry wet. And we only want the mid-range here. High pass to about 15. And I'm just going to bring back the pre-delay. And let's have a listen now. Bring in some of the modulation. And make the reverb time slightly shorter. Okay, let's A/B that. And the last thing that I want to do is just automate the plate level on the fader right down to 0 for the stabs at the end. So all I do is select the plate level here on the fader, come up to the automate region here for Studio One, and where I can see the stabs, I'm just going to reduce the fader completely. Let's have a look in the plugin now. And just like that, we got a really nice tight sound, but we still have that room sound when we want it. Okay, so I have this channel here and I've put CLA EPIC on as an insert, and that's because I want to make this like a textural guitar part that sort of stands out and it's interesting in the mix. Let's hear it as it is. Okay, I'm going to pull up the CLA EPIC plugin. And again, I'm using this as an insert, and it's nice and flexible like that. So I had it on a bus previously, and now I have it as an insert. And I've dialed in a little bit of the modulation here, and I'm just using the tape and feeding it into the plate. And I've got the dry wet at about 40. Let's have a listen. So it's just creating some nice movement and texture on that channel. And lastly, I have these 2 guitar parts here, which are being sent to a bus. And let's have a look at what they're doing in the track. So from the bypass version. And let's load up CLA EPIC on this bus track. Again, I'm just bringing in a little bit of the tape. And now double stereo width on both channels. And that's when I want to introduce the plate sound. And let's over egg so you can hear what this is doing. Let's go back to this section here. Increase the mod. And I'm actually going to swap out the plate for the room. And A/B. It just helps that guitar in the right hand speaker really lengthen and pop a little bit more. So hope you found these CLA EPIC videos useful, and go back and watch the use of these on vocals and drums as well as this guitar video.